You know, like when you have like the worst day and you just like kind of are trying to hype yourself up. No, just me? Oh my gosh. It's probably because I didn't get ready. I should have gotten ready. I had so many good intentions this morning, and it's 3 o'clock. I'm like next level exhausted. Ivy woke me up about once an hour last night, and I've gotten nothing done. Literally all I've done is my devotions, which I prioritized. It only took me about 2.5 hours to actually do because kept getting interrupted. Anyway, Zeal's only watched about 2 movies today. Okay, I'm making some coffee. I just I'm using skinny syrup vanilla flavor. I've already had collagen today. I'm just such a health guru. Sorry, I have my collagen. I'm gonna actually use, I'm gonna put oat milk in it today. Anyway, yeah, right now I'm just gonna like clean up the house a little bit, and I'm gonna try to stop looking like this. Yeah. Anyway, yes, so I'm gonna drink my coffee and my water, and I am going to get the house clean. I'm gonna make some dinner, and then we are gonna get to painting the fence. It looks so good. Our friend Jacob just installed the gate, and that's what I got. So I'm gonna get that all painted white now. Seal wants to play sequence. That ain't happening though. Not right now. We gotta clean, okay? You're gonna help me clean.
Okay, so for dinner, I wanted to do something super easy. So I decided to do like Chipotle bowls at home. So I'm just making some guacamole, just mashing the avocados, and I'm just going to keep it simple because last time I messed up my guacamole by adding salsa. It just ruined it. So that's some minced garlic. I cut up some little cherry tomatoes, a little bit of red onion, and what else did I put in it? Salt and pepper and some lime juice. And that was it. And it turned out really, really good. And then here I'm just adding some cilantro. So this is the white rice that just got done cooking, and I just added some fresh lime juice to it and cilantro, and it turned out really good. And right here, I was laughing at myself because I watch Laura in the Kitchen on YouTube. Her name is Laura Vitale. She's a chef or cook. I don't know what you call it. Anyway, she said to cut corn in a bowl like that with a bowl turned over, but my big bowl was too small, so it did not work out at all. Anyway, so I had some corn on the cob, and then this is just some rotisserie chicken that we had gotten from Costco, which is my favorite. And then here it is. It was really, really good.
Come here. Come here. Come here, Abby. Come to Daddy. Come to your daddy. Do you want to sit here? Yeah? Okay, let's sit down.
Whoa. That's yours.
Beans.
Silly.
I want beans. Owie.
Okay.
Owie. Ow.
Here's
Ooh, yummy chicken.
Oh. Oh. Where's mine?
Pray for us? Okay.
Yeah.
Brother's going to pray for us. Go for it.
Jesus, give us power. Pray for our fuses. Give us strength and power. Protect us, God. No, I already said that. Give us this. Pray for our bodies. Protect us. Give us forks. Thank you, God, and we love you. And amen.
Amen. Lord, give us forks.
Give us forks. Alright guys, we'll see you in our next video. Bye! Everyone say bye!
Everybody say bye.
Bye.
Say bye.